Hi guys, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today I have a special guest, my husband.
How y'all doing?
And we're going to cook venison burgers. So for the ones who don't know who venison burger is, it's just deer meat processed into hamburgers. So for this recipe, you will need venison burgers, 1 pack of onion Lipton mix, 2 eggs, onion powder, breadcrumbs, and a half an onion diced up. So let's get started. So he is placed cooking oil, vegetable oil, in his cast iron frying pan. He have his eye set on 5. So now all he doing is taking his processed burger and placing it in a bowl to mix.
Break it up a little bit. That just regular. Today is just regular hamburger, but it's just deer hamburger.
So he just breaking it up. It looks just like regular hamburger, just deer hamburger.
Add your egg.
He adding 2 eggs.
Your onion pack.
1 pack of Lipton onion mix. Breadcrumbs. And the egg and breadcrumbs is just to keep the venison burgers together.
Onion powder.
A little onion powder.
A few onions.
And a few onions.
Raw onions. Just to give it a little flavor. Put a little bit more in there once you do the gravy you want. And just mix it up.
So now we just mixing all of our ingredients together.
Good thing about these, you can make them as thick as you want, small as you want. But you don't have to worry about them because these don't shrink. They won't shrink up. You make them thick, they'll stay thick. It's not like a normal hamburger that'll shrink. Breadcrumb. Keep them firm. Wipe all this down. See how they tighten on up? I just added that little bit more. Tighten right on up.
So the more breadcrumbs you add, the thicker the burgers get.
Stiffer.
The stiffer the burgers get. So now we just rolling out the venison burgers and placing them in our preheated frying pan. So we're turning our frying pan down on 3 so that it won't cook so fast. And basically, you just repeat this step on out.
Like you're doing normal regular hamburger, you're making burgers, whether you put them on the grill or making normal hamburger and gravy.
So our venison burgers are cooking, and once they're good and firm and brown on one side, then we're going to flip them over and cook the other side. It's just like normal hamburger. You know, you add your ingredients, you roll them out, and you cook them. So he's turning over his venison burgers now. They're nice and golden brown on one side. So we just want to get them nice and golden brown on the other side.
You don't cook it slow, don't cook so extra slow. It on and that kind of color up there. Okay, so we got them. Our burgers are getting done right now. First 2 I put in, they are pretty much done. See how tight they are. They're good and firm. They're not falling apart. That's when you can tell how you know when they're done or not. And 1, 2, we'll open up one so you can see the inside, so that you know that they're done. You see right here, see that minute. See they're getting tight. Alright, taking the last 3 out. They're good and done. Around, spread them back. Alright. Cut one over. Light. Done all the way through. No blood, no paintings, or nothing in the inside. That's what you want.
So now we're just going to finish cooking the remaining of our venison burgers. So we're just finishing up with our venison burgers. So once these cook, we're going to make gravy for them. The best part about venison burgers are they're very lean, so they are true to size. It's not like regular hamburger. It shrinks up after getting the frying pan and cooked. So whatever size you make them, that's the size they're gonna come out to be. Now that our venison burgers have cooked, we're going to add gravy. So what we did was took the grease from the venison burgers, left some in the pan, and put some in a bowl because we didn't eat all of it. So
you I added a few onions and stirred. And you need the settlement for the color, settlement from the burgers, and you just stir it and let it cook. The more settlement and the color is better for your color of your burgers. So I like to add a few burgers in it. Stir those around and get it going. And a little water. Alright, I'm gonna crack my eye up just a cop, a little bit more. The gravy's coming on around. Okay, I'm gonna add a few more burgers. Alright, turn your eye up a little bit, that way it'll cook. It can cook. Alright, you got your gravy going. I got just about all the burgers in there, all but one. I'm getting ready to add that one. Let's cook on up a little bit. It's gonna thicken up. The more you cook it, the more heat you put on it, it's gonna set itself up, the gravy. Okay, this is pretty much coming to a closure in the burgers. And the only thing they're doing now is just simmering. What I like to do is just add just a little accent into the gravy or whatever. And I mean, they pretty much, you know, they're seasoned on their own because I put good ingredients in the burgers. And with the settlement that came off of the burgers, you know, that gives your gravy the flavor. And you just let them simmer. You don't want to let them sit too long because, like I said, they're already done and they're continuously gonna cook in the gravy. And there you have your deer burgers. What I like to call. Some people call it venison. I call it the normal name. That's what it is, deer. It's just in the hamburger form.
That ends our video of our deer hamburger and gravy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned to our next video. And please comment, like, and subscribe below. And thanks for watching. Bye.